Hi YouTube, this is Southern Prepper One, and this is your prepper tip of the day. These are gun locks, and nowadays if you buy any firearm, pistol, rifle, shotgun, they're going to give you some type of safety device, and that's really for liability. I don't use these because I lock mine in gun safe, so you can't even get access to them. But there's many uses for these. Let me show you one right now, which I think is important. I don't know why you'd need to, but handcuffs. I don't think you can break this. Maybe some huge, strong guy could, but typically if you cuff the person behind the back, you're not going to get out of these. But you need to worry about the size. The green pair fits my son really well, fits me. I cannot get out of them. And as you can see, they're small, medium, large, all different sizes. So I'm sure you could find a size to secure someone if you had to in an emergency. So that's just one use for them. You got other uses. Say you have a bike helmet. Your kids ride to school or something. They can take one of these and put it through their bike helmet and lock it right to their bike. And you could then secure your motorcycle helmet. You can definitely do that. Maybe you have some bikes on your rack on the back of your vehicle and you're driving somewhere and you want to run into the store. Secure your bike. Now, granted, someone wants it, they're going to cut this lock, no problem. But it'll just keep the honest person from becoming dishonest for 30 seconds. Also, for doors, you might have some door, if you might want to do a really quick emergency lock, a double panic bar or a double door with panic bars. These are just two, and they go together, so you could secure it. I used two of them, and I secured my front gate. So there's lots of uses for them, so don't throw them away. But really what I want to know is what other uses for these, other than definitely a lock. List them down in the comment section. But the handcuff thing, it works pretty good. Not knowing why you have to handcuff someone, but if you had to, you definitely could secure them a lot easier. In the military, when we first started out, we used 550 cord, and then we went to the plastic cuffs. But this is something that you probably have a bunch just sitting around, or maybe you got a buddy that has a bunch that's going to throw them away, because a lot of guys just throw them away. They use gun safes. So what other uses for these gun locks? Put them down in the comments, and let's see if we can come up with some other good ideas. Thanks for watching.